What up, YouTube? It's Ben with Underrated Garage.
Hey guys.
Here with Kaylee. We're finally starting the Drift Z rebuild. If you've been watching the channel, you saw like 4 months ago, I rod knocked this thing. So this is gonna be step one. We put it back in the driveway. It's been sitting in the street. There's a little sneak peek of a new car we picked up that's gonna be in a video soon. If you either don't remember it or if you weren't even on the channel yet at the time, the 96 300 drift beater. It's a 2+2, it's stock, 5-speed. A few extras. We put clear tails on it and the exhaust from the Icy 300 since that thing is a shell now. But otherwise, it's just a stock beat up car. Not doing any crazy build on this car, anything like that. I am gonna delete a few things from the engine bay, clean some stuff up, a few upgrades here and there.
So the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna try to take some of the stuff off the top of the motor, and we're also gonna drain a lot of the fluids.
So while we're at it of working on this thing, I'm gonna delete the cruise control. I'm gonna delete the AC. I don't think the AC or the cruise control even worked, so I might as well get rid of it to make some space in the bay. It's a drift car. We're making some progress here. We just got intakes out, and this is everything else we've gotten out so far over here. Some of the fuel lines, the cruise control stuff, AC line. We'll probably start draining all the fluids, get the radiator off, the nose panel and the front bumper so I can take the AC condenser out because we're deleting that, and I'm gonna need access there for some of the goodies anyway. Okay, that's a start.
God damn, that's coming quick.
Okay.
Action, take two.
Let's see if this thing's ready to come out. Woo.
Oh God.
Wow.
Efficiency.
And we could get the clutch fan. We got all the AC stuff out, condenser and the lines, radiator, cooling system stuff out. Most of the engine harness is disconnected. A lot of it's right here, zip tied up. This whole section is kind of, so pretty much everything underneath still has to get undone. And then it'll be ready to start pulling this engine trans out. Got the rear end of the hoopty in the air. Time to take the exhaust off and the drive shaft. I just dropped the whole exhaust right from the headers all the way back to my custom muffler deletes back there, all as one piece. I'm just gonna drag that out and store that somewhere because there's no way these were coming apart without snapping. And this is such a beater, I don't feel like putting any extra work into it. I don't need to. So now that that's down, have access to the drive shaft. It's the factory 2-piece drive shaft. Okay, this is how far we made it today. The 2-piece drive shaft is completely out. The exhaust is off. It's really getting there. So I think the engine is really almost ready to pull out of this thing, so that's exciting. I want to give you guys a little sneak peek of some stuff to come. So when the engine's rebuilt and going back in, it's going to be getting the intakes, Mishimoto radiator and electric fan. It's going to be getting a catch can set up, which I have right there, the baffled catch can, and a short shifter, 1-piece drive shaft. So there are some goodies that came off of the ICZ, which is now just a shell sitting waiting for a whole swap. Few things I can use for this. Hope you guys weren't too bored watching this video. This is only the first one of this series and probably the least interesting because all we were doing was kind of tearing some stuff apart to get it ready to pull. Next video will be actually pulling the engine and trans out of this thing, setting it up on a stand. Good progress, and I'll be catching up with you guys next week. I'm gonna have 2 300ZX shells sitting here at my house. Catch up with you guys then. See ya.